Now on our Swiss franc JPY for the week, let's try and predict where our price will be moving for this week on our Swiss franc JPY. So before you go, if you are new, don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe. I want you to also subscribe. By the way, now we can see on our JPY index, by the way, we're actually having a fall. By the way, this is where our index is, and we are actually going to continually be having a fall. At least we hit this our previous area here where our price reversed. As you can see, we are on a fall. Now we actually now add this pullback, which is on our JPY index. Now we're actually going to go a fall again. So this week, by the open of the market, when market opens, we are still going to be going bearish. At least we hit this our key area here where price reverse and even possibly break below it and continue going bearish. So as we are going bearish on our JPY, any pair relating to that JPY should actually be going bullish. As we can see, when our JPY went bearish, our Swiss franc to our JPY now started going bullish. So that is why this week we're actually going to be going bullish on our daily time frame. We are above our 10-period moving average, even our 4-hour period moving average. So as we want to see something like a pullback, I'll say probably possibly wait for a pullback here where our price drops, then drops or it touches our 10-period moving average. As you can see, our price is far away from our 10-period moving average. Since we are going bullish, I'll say wait, let's see if our price will actually drop to this our area here before we actually now continue going bullish, or wait till our price touches this our 10-period moving average, then I'll now say it is a good opportunity to take your buy. By the way, we are still on an uptrend move, by the way, so we are waiting for a pullback, by the way. So wait for a pullback. When our price comes here, pull back, then we'll actually go bullish. Now we can see on our 1-hour time frame, we are trying to see something like a pullback, by the way. So let's wait. We should be patient enough. At least it will help us, get the pullback. Then we actually now see that bullish move. As you can see on our 1-hour time frame, our price has broken below our 10-period moving average. So on our 1-hour time frame, that is an indication that our price is still about to fall. So that is why I said let's hold on, wait till our price pull back, then actually take your buy on our Swiss franc JPY. So that is my analysis for this week. By the way, we are going bullish, but we'll be getting a pullback, then a continued bullish move upward on our Swiss franc JPY. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.